Hey everybody, Mark here with Imhoff Painting. Today we're down in Littleton, which is near Denver, Colorado, and we're doing an epoxy job on a garage floor using Elitecrete systems. And this particular customer is a carpenter. He does a lot of woodwork in the garage, and so he creates a lot of sawdust, and he was having a problem with that sawdust getting caught in the control joints, so he's asked us to fill those, and we're using a special product called Cap. And this is an A and B. We mix it 2 parts A, 1 part B, and then we pour it into the control joints. First thing we did was put urethane caulk down in the base of the crack so that all of our epoxy won't flow out into the slab. And Nick is pouring some of that right now. So Nick, you want to explain to everybody what you're doing?
Yeah, right now we're just going through all the control joints and we're filling it with this Cap 445 so that we can sand the floor flush when it's all said and done and get our vapor barrier on top of it, and afterwards we'll get the finished epoxy coat and go from there with it basically.
So we fill it in, then we take our nice grinders over here and we will grind it off. I'll probably start with our Metabo hand grinder with the diamond disc on it. And so if you can see, we leave it a little proud up above the joint, and then he takes his margin trowel and just trowels out any excess, which is why it looks a little smeared over in the other section. So if you look, as he pours, it kind of just fills in, and then we did create a little dam with urethane caulk down there so that it won't flow out into the driveway. And once this hardens up, we spread a little silica sand on the surface of it to give it some bite so that our next layers of finish can grab it, and then we'll grind it down smooth, and it should be a nice flat floor. We're going to be doing tan on the top coat with some PT4, and then we're going to be using the AUSV top coat, which is the harder top coat that they provide us. So yeah, we'll give you a little bit more of a look as we continue on. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.